Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on Fandango. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fandango.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Fandango. Now right from the homepage, if you have not logged into your account yet, click on the account button at the top right corner. This will then take you into the sign in page. Now once you're in this page, you will find the forgot your password button. Go ahead and click on it and now you will be allowed to reset your password. Simply enter the email address that is associated with your account and click on send email. You will then be asked to check your inbox, so you can simply click on close this tab and go ahead and check your inbox. Within your inbox, you will find an email from Fandango which contains a link that you can click to reset your password. Just go ahead and click on this link and you will be taken into another page which will allow you to enter a new password for your account. Simply type in the password that you want to set and then type it in once again to confirm it. Then go ahead and click on the change password button and your password will successfully be reset. And now you can use your email address along with your new password to log in to your Fandango account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Fandango. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.